Free Wi-Fi sounds great until it costs you your identity, passwords, and bank account. Text on screen. Public Wi-Fi is a trap. Here's what hackers do. Let's say you connect to Wi-Fi at a coffee shop, airport, or hotel. No password. Super convenient, right? Well, it's also super dangerous. Animation. A hacker sets up a rogue hotspot named Free Airport Wi-Fi. Hackers often set up fake Wi-Fi networks that look legit. Once you're connected, they can see everything you're doing. If you're not using a secure connection, attackers can intercept your emails, passwords, even your bank logins using something called a man-in-the-middle (MITM) attack. B-roll. Hacker using tools like Wireshark or a fake login page capturing credentials. On-screen stat. Over 40% of users admit to accessing sensitive data over public Wi-Fi. Here's how you protect yourself, even if you have to use public Wi-Fi. Practical tips. On-screen checklist. Avoid logging into bank or work accounts. Always use a VPN. Turn off Auto Connect to open networks. Enable HTTPS-only mode in browsers. Use mobile hotspot if possible. Tutorial snippet. How to activate a VPN or mobile hotspot. Hackers love public Wi-Fi because it gives them direct access to unprotected users like you. Don't be the easy target. Use speaking directly to the camera. Stay safe, stay smart. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who always uses free Wi-Fi without thinking twice.